close some. Don't everywhere, everywhere. No? You need some bigger value. Nothing. You see, now you see bigger value, right?
Yes.
Very powerful. Now you know. So you see my.
What's that?
What is that?
Insect. Insect.
Snail.
A snail.
Go.
First time.
Uh-oh.
This is Jordan.
Dark in the window.
The heavens, that's all.
California. It's very hard to do that. No problem.
Wait. I want to cover?
No, thank you. How to control interesting. So no. To do big shake first. No. Yeah. Sometimes I like to put some interesting, but have to remind yourself don't to paint
Too early.
Yeah. So go back to the big shape.
That you always have the urge to.
See, big shape. The same. No. So I must do something. Different size. The leaf. And of course you have to keep the interesting. No?
Yeah.
Before the two equal. And I do something become different size. Beautiful. And also I have to keep your building have to keep the good. And now it's wet, still wet, right? So I think you can do more dark area somewhere. I make some I make some Vantek brown sienna, intense blue, recycle paint, recycle pigment, recycle. Much more. Okay, you want to cocoa, right? See? Gather. Disperse. Thank you. Okay, no problem. And not everywhere, just cocoa. Sometimes you use your brush. Different interesting something. And very dangerous. Sometimes you will paint too much more. So no problem. You know what I want, you know what I did, what thing. To make this shape. And another shape. And smaller shapes. Bigger, medium, that something. Okay, don't paint too much. I think it's enough. Okay, then I will paint some interesting something. Okay, then reflection or the rock. Okay, go. Crazy duck. great, 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 oh great. Boom, boom. Okay. Good then, good then. Better than better. I do the. Okay. In the bottom. Go back to the. The what I'm talking about. Great, 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 great. Chinese song.